Hello!
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Yeah.
Sino po
Mhm.
sila?
This is Love from Manila, 28 years old.
Your name is Love from Manila. Maynila po ba kayo, ma'am?
Somewhere in Taguig po.
Taguig pala, hindi pala Maynila.
Metro Manila.
28 ka?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sige. Anong ginagawa sa buhay ni Love?
Working.
Anong work mo?
Working po. Sa residential property.
Ahente ng kondo, ganon.
No, management po.
Management. Okay. Ano kayang property sa BGC to, no? ...28 years old. Okay. May asawa na si Love?
Single po.
Single.
Kaka-break lang.
Kaka-break lang. Naknampusa. Bumaba ka sa may 7-Eleven, bumili ka soju. Tapos?
Di ako umiinom. Yun yung kaso eh. Di ako
Okay.
umiinom.
Di milk tea. Yan. Hanggang mabunsol ka.
Pwede.
Anyways, bakit, kailan kayo nag-break?
Last week.
Last week? Oh.
Yeah.
Gano'ng katagal kayo niyan?
I met him ng September, pero parang wala kaming official, pero parang naging okay kami. January.
Situationship malala.
No, it's not. Kami. Pero wala lang hindi lang official.
O di hindi
Wala
kayo.
lang date.
Hindi kayo. Pag hindi official, hindi kayo.
Kami, kasi napag-usapan na okay kami.
Pero hindi official.
I mean, wala kaming monthsary, ganun.
Pero kayo.
Ay, kami po.
Pero walang label.
Meron. Kami talaga.
Teka lang, interesting to, no? Naging kayo pero walang official date, tama?
Parang uso ngayon yun eh.
Ay, hindi. Huwag niyo akong papaandaran. In my experience doing this show, and I've heard this a lot of times, nagtalik muna tsaka nagtanong, ano ba tayo? Ganun ba nangyari? Hello?
Hindi. Hello?
Ay, hindi. Hello? Can you hear
Hello
me?
po.
Ayan, sige. Anyways, nag-break kayo last week. Ba't naman kayo nag-break last week?
Nag-break. Si Papa Jack, napaka-petty eh. Tamang-tama sa segment mo.
Tamang-tama sa
Nasa-
pagtawag sa Petty Night game.
Yeah. Kasi, that night, lumabas siya with friends. I'm okay with those friends. It happened lang na. Hindi ko alam kung hormonal, may mens or what. Tapos hindi siya nakapag-reply. Sabi ko matutulog na ako. Tapos parang siya, sige, tulog ka na. Sabi niya ganun. Tapos sabi ko, di ka pa uuwi. Parang sabi ko ganun. Tapos after an hour, nag-chat ako. Di ako makatulog. Tapos, di siya nag-reply. 1 hour na, di pa nag-reply din. Tapos inansend ko. Nag-chat ulit ako. Di ako makatulog.
In-unfriend
Wala
mo?
pa rin siya. In-unsend.
In-unsend mo. Okay, kala ko in-unfriend ka.
Tapos, ayun. Tapos, nag-send ako another message. Sabi ko, hindi ako makatulog. Tapos wala pa rin reply. Hanggang sa nag-come up ako, I don't know, hindi ko din mag-gets. Medyo petty nga din talaga ako that night. Na tinlock ko siya. Kasi gusto ko magpalambing. Tapos, akala ko dahil nakita ko naman with our relationship na okay kami, chill kami, love niya ako, love ko siya, parang never pa kami nag-away. So, medyo confident ako na, okay, habulin naman ako nito, tapos magbabati kami. Gusto ko lang magpalambing sana. Kaso ang nangyari, hindi eh. Parang iba yung take niya. Below the belt daw sa kanya yung blocking. Ganon. Nung sa hindi na naging okay pa, binlock niya na din ako. Tapos paghiwalay na siya.
Okay. Ay. Anong tanong mo sa
Tapos
akin?
hindi ko matanggap. Hindi ko siya matanggap, Papa Jack, na I mean, ang tanong ko, valid na ba talaga yung reason na yun?
Yes.
Yung binlock mo tapos iwalayan ka? Really?
Yes. I don't know if it's just I don't know if it's acceptable, pero valid 'yon.
Actually, nung the next day, pinuntahan niya ako, tapos talaga kami parang nag-meet, yung parang yung gusto ko, hindi tumugma. So kasi parang expecting, habulin pa. Parang,
sorry, tawag na love, napuputol-putol ka. Dali.
Oh, sorry.
Ano yun, ma'am?
Yun. Parang the next day kasi, so pinuntahan niya ako. Hindi siya nag-sorry.
Okay.
Or nag-sorry. Tapos umalis siya agad.
Pinuntahan ka niya the next day, hindi siya nag-sorry. Tama?
Parang silent niya lang.
Ano pala dapat niya pag-sorry sa'yo?
Yun yung kasi nga nagtatampo sa nagtatampo dahil ako na-replyan.
Wait. Sorry. Tawag nito. Love, hindi natin maintindihan gaano yung yung line mo, yung reception. Kasi yung linya mo parang ikaw, malabo, magulo, gano'n.
Oh no.
Oo. Okay. Kinabukasan, pinuntahan ka niya, and then?
Pinuntahan niya ako, tapos may inabot siya. So, expected ko naman yun.
Okay.
Kasi nga, nagpapalambing lang ako. Saka medyo confident ako sa relationship namin na wala lang to, magiging okay din. Nagpapalambing lang ako. Knowing him na mahal niya ako.
So namihasa ka.
It's not that namihasa kasi first time pa lang naman to. Wala, hindi naman siya mihasa. More on, nagpapalambing lang talaga. Kasi
First time ba ito o first time kanyang patulan lang talaga? Magkaiba yon. Alin sa dalawa?
First time talaga. Wala pa kaming away.
Okay.
Kasi since bago pa nga lang din. Yun. Tapos, umalis siya. Actually, pinaupo ko pa siya. Sabi ko, tabi ka na dito sa work ko. Sabi ko, hintayin mo na lang ako. Tapos, hindi, sige na, parang umalis siya. Tapos ako, hinabol ko siya. Pinuntahan ko siya sa parking. Tapos doon, parang, hindi pa rin siya, ayun nga, hindi ko alam parang, hinahanap ko yung, yun nga, yung nagpapalambing nga kasi, gusto kong makita, ganun. Pero parang hindi ko nakita yung, sa reason ko lang na to, ang petty nga lang, na binlock. Pero parang hindi niya ako hinahabol talaga. Tapos ako, sabi ko pa, medyo, tapos at the same time, confident nga ako sa amin. So,
pero ano palang ginawa niya? Ano palang binigay niya sa'yo nang pinuntahan ka niya?
Cheesecake.
So, nagpapalambing ka? Binigyan ka niya ng cheesecake and you want more?
Hindi naman, it's not kasi kung ano yung binigay.
No.
Yung emotional sana.
No. Nakupal ka na sa part na yan. Pinuntahan ka niya, he gave you a food.
Kasi umalis siya
And
without
then,
saying anything.
Kasi nagpapalambing, hindi pa dapat ikaw na yung nag-reach out kasi reach out na yun eh.
Kasi nga, medyo galit siya nang pumunta pa doon.
But he still brought you food.
Okay. Yun nga, kaya nga hinabol ko siya. Hinabol ko siya dun sa parking.
Oh my God. So kailangan pa niyang umalis para makarealize ka? He went to you.
I asked him
Oh my God, stop. Okay, slow down, love. A little bit. You lost the guy already and you're not learning from it. You're still defending your actions. You lost him because of this specific action and you're still defending it. Wala na siya and yet hindi mo nare-realize na kagagawa mo ba't siya nawala.
Yeah. Naging medyo confident nga ako sa part na yun na, I mean, nag-sorry ako kasi nag-sorry ako sa kanya. Sabi ko, I didn't know na below the belt for you. Talagang medyo, kasi kami super chill talaga ng relationship namin. Na parang, siya super sweet sa akin. That time lang na hindi ako na-replyan niya, which is I'm not used to. Kaya medyo nanibago ako. Tapos that time kasi naglalaro siya. So, tas may smartwatch siya. So, ang nasa isip ko, nag-message ako, nakikita mo sa smartwatch mo, pero ni-ignore mo ako. So, medyo parang nag-overthink na, gano'n.
Well, anyways, break na kayo. Hindi na para maghabol ka na ngayon kasi nakipaghiwalay na siya. Eto, pinapagalitan na lang kita kasi you have to learn from this. No? You have to never miss out on the chance to learn the lessons of your own misgivings. Ayan ang paborito kong linya eh. And you have to learn from this. Pero nakipaghiwalay na siya, hindi rin para maghabol ka. No? Hindi mo rin deserve yun. Kaya ko lang pinipilit sa'yo ito because I want you to own up that you contributed kung bakit nawala yung lalaking ito sa'yo.
Yes. Nag-sorry ako, Papa Jack. Nag-sorry naman ako.
And maybe he doesn't have it anymore in him to forgive you kasi baka naumay na siya sa'yo. Obviously, alam mo yung nangyari noong araw na yan, it's the last straw. Maybe it was alam mo, feeling ko ano yan. It was tawag nito, an accumulation of many things. Na hindi mo na lang siguro nakita. I'm sure. Baka first time na lang siya mag-react ng ganito, but it was an accumulation of many things. Kasi, let's be honest to ourselves, no? When you say na nagpapalambing lang naman ako, hindi mo naman first time gawin yan eh. Ibig sabihin, yan yung gawin mo sa kanya. Napagod na lang siguro sa yung tao. Alam mo, eto na, talaga kwentuhan na lang naman tayo na. Mabadrip ako sa mga jowang papayagan nila yung boyfriend nila o girlfriend nilang lumabas, pero every 15 minutes tatawagan nila.
Ayun, hindi ko tinawagan yan na hindi ko rin pinauwi. Hindi ko rin. Parang, though yun yung ano ka din naman, part of saying na, inaantok na ako tas oras na parang sinsabay kaming natutulog. Parang, oras na, uwi ka na. Pero hindi ko siya yung directly sasabihin na, uwi ka na. Pero that time na talaga, nangyari naman na to every time na lumalabas siya. Ngayon, doon time lang na yun, Papa Jack, which is, nagsisisi naman ako na siya sana di pala ako nagpalambing ng gano'n. Hindi naman. Wala naman masama sa pagpapalambing. Out of place lang talaga siya. Because he already went to you eh. He brought you cheesecake. Okay, baka hindi mo nakita ito ha. Yan mo ha. Were you asking for the cheesecake? No.
Okay, there you go. See? He woke up. He knew that there was some coldness the night before. Tama? He woke up, went to a place to buy cheesecake. Went inside the door, looked into the cheesecake and thought to himself, ano kayang favorite dito ni Love? All of this, ginawa niya to. Diba?
Yes.
He brought the cheesecake, drove to your place, went up to your room, gave it to you. At sinuklihan mo siya ng coldness.
No, sabi ko, pinaupo ko nga siya. Sabi ko, tabihan mo ako dito. Habang nag-work ako. Kasi nga, nagpapalambing lang ako. O yun, nandito na siya. Uli ka na dito. Ako, Papa Jack, umpisa pa lang ng relationship namin. Sinabi ko na sa kanya, hindi ako marunong maghalit na tao. Saka, pinakita ko kanya, hindi ako marunong magalit na tao. Pinakita ko rin sa kanya kung gaano ako ka-soft, ka-nice sa people. Kaya, yun, alam mo yun, di ka rin mag-get.
Hayaan mo na. Kung ganyan rin lang naman, hayaan mo na. Okay na yun.
Sorry ako, Papa Jack. Actually, I'm trying ko.
Sige po.
I'm trying ko, Papa Jack. I want ayusin. Yun nga, sabi ko, ang explanation ko sa kanya na nag-usap kami, I'm learning. I learned something new about you.
That's nice of you. That's nice.
Sorry, Ana, I didn't know na ayaw mo yung ganon. Pero now that I know, I swear I'm not gonna do it anymore kasi I don't wanna lose you naman talaga. It's not really my intention to lose you.
Aww. You missed the guy, right?
Nag-sorry ako. Nag-sorry talaga ako, Papa Jack. And nagkamali ako sa nagawa ko. Pero yun, hindi ko talaga intention na awayin siya, makipaghiwalay. Nagpalambing lang talaga ako.
Kung, alam mo, sa puntong ito, everything is just in hindsight na lang. No? We can just learn from it. Kasi even if you have the best intention for someone, if that person no longer has the capacity to accommodate what you can offer, it's pointless.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
And I think he's lost the capacity to accommodate what you can offer.
Ano to, Papa? Tsaka yun nga, di ba sabi ko nga, confident ako sa boyfriend ko eh. Kasi I know him eh. I know him naman. Yun nga lang kasi...
You thought you know him.
I know. Pero nabigla ako doon sa part na nga.
Pero alam mo, one day you'll learn about this. I think there's more to this than what you are realizing now. I think there's more to this than what you're realizing now. I don't believe that what you're telling me now is the entire version of if one day matatanong natin siya. I'm sure there's more to this than what you're realizing now. Either way.
What do you mean, Papa?
Ha, ma'am?
What do you mean?
Well, sige na. I'll take it at face value. Na-clueless ka kung bakit. No? Whether tama yung reasons niya o hindi, may reason siya na hindi mo alam. That you are not realizing now.
Mm-hmm.
Alam mo, love, one day you're going to meet a guy who will be able to tolerate you and get pissed off sa iyo but will not leave you.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now, you agree with me?
Yeah.
Okay, now on the other hand, I don't exactly buy your story the way you're telling me now.
Mm-hmm.
Kasi ikaw yung unang ng block eh. Tama mali?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Was it the first time you did that?
Yes. Sa kanya, yeah.
Okay. May mga tao na walang tolerance dyan eh.
Yun yung hindi ko po alam.
Kasi walang point eh. Alam mo, natatangahan ako sa mga mablock-block na yan. Hindi ko makita yung sense eh. Kung ibablock mo, mga tawanan mo. Hindi unblock mo tapos sabi ng mga comments, hala na, tinamaan ako. But anyways, let me go back to my previous point. One day, you're going to meet someone in love, no? Who's going to get pissed off sa iyo and the same time tolerate you but will not leave your side. Maybe it's not that guy.
Not that guy, Papa Jack. Wala, ako, actually, yung ano ko ngayon is, I'm trying kasi, Papa Jack.
Huwag na?
Gusto ko pang i-try, Papa Jack, kasi
No.
yung intention ko talaga, kasi parang di ko tanggap kasi hindi naman talaga yun yung entire intention.
Ako, honestly, I understand and I respect that you love the guy and you regret. No? Pero yung maghabol ka, it doesn't work to, it doesn't work for a guy. Doesn't work for a guy.
Ano siya, soft siyang tao, Papa Jack. Alam mo, nung nag-away kami, okay kami. Nag-away kami, okay kami. At naiintindihan niya pa ako. Nasasad siya, umiiyak siya, ganon. Pero hindi siya yung makikipag-iwalay kasi parang wala naman sa amin. Pero kasi, merong friend na mas nag-boost ng decision niya.
Oh, there you go. That's what I was talking about.
Mm-hmm.
I do not recommend that you run after him. Alam mo lalaki, black and white ng mga lalaki. Ayaw, gusto. Wala kami in between. Babae lang may in between. Lalaki wala. Tama nang nare-realize mo yung mga bagay na dapat di mo nagawa pero hindi na para maghabol ka. That part, di mo naman deserve yan.
Kaya ko pa.
Of course. You're young.
Mhm.
You are young and you are at your prime.
Mhm.
Okay? Ulitin ko yun ha. I want you to remember this, okay? You are young and you are at your prime. Tama nang natuto ka, pero hindi para maghabol ka.
Actually, it's, yun yung tawag. Pero more on, parang gusto kong pakita lang yung love na deserve niya and at the same time yung love na kaya ko pang i-offer. Kasi nga, I'm shook pa eh. Hindi naman kasi talaga part sa plano to. Like, nagpapabebe lang sana ako. So, there's more love in me for him sana. So, parang, I'll be honest na hindi ko pa tanggap. So, I wanna show love pa. I wanna show him pa na I regret everything. At the same time, I'm here, love kita, and I'll prove it to you.
I don't recommend.
Mhm.
I do not recommend that you run after this guy. I don't. To learn from this is more than enough. Okay na yan.
Kahit love ko pa siya.
Ulitin ko sinabi ko sa'yo kanina, mama, even if you have the best intention for someone, if that person no longer has the capacity to appreciate what we can offer, it's pointless.
Yeah. You also mentioned, Papa Jack, you don't recommend, pero pwede.
Ano yun? Ano yun?
Parang, I mean, you don't recommend maghabol, go after this guy, pero pwedeng gawin naman. Right?
Hindi ko sinabi yan. Sa'yo nang galing yan. Gumagawa ka ng kwento, tigilan mo. Wag mo akong idamay dyan. Alam mo,
Hindi.
what I can
Hindi,
give here is advice, 'di ba? That comes across as an opinion. But if after this conversation you will insist to run after him, no, wala namang pwedeng pumigil sa'yo, di gawin mo. I just don't recommend it.
Yeah, I don't recommend it. Pwede naman. Yeah.
Okay, do you want me to tell you why?
Why po?
Okay. Because you might succeed having him back sa buhay mo, but he will no longer love you the same. In my experience, pag may lalaking gustong umalis sa relasyon, kahit papabalik mo yan, nasa horizon na niya yung pag-alis. Totoo yan. Pag may lalaki that wants to get out of any relationship, mapabalik mo man yan, nasa horizon na niya yung pag-alis. It's just a matter of time. Kasi lalaki logistical yan eh.
Hindi ko matanggap. Yan siguro yung problem ko right now. Kasi nga, yun, hindi siya part. I mean, kung ano yung nangyayari right now, hindi ko siya na-picture. Hindi siya part nung gusto ko lang na magpalambing lang sana.
Well, I hope you get to that point soon enough, di ba? Yung point ng acceptance. Because right now, wala ka pa doon. No? Nasa bargaining stage ka pa. Nandun ka pa sa part, hindi, mahal niya ako. Nagpapaka-pride lang yun. Kaya ko to. Kaya ko siya babalikan. Papadala ko siya ng picture ng ano ko. Ng smile ko. Ano mong iniisip? Wag na. I don't recommend.
Kasi sabi ko pa nga sa kanya, parang unfair naman. Kasi pumunta ka sa life ko, hindi ako ready. Tapos you keep telling, I can wait. 5 times, sabi ko, let's be friends. Tapos sabi mo, no, I can wait. Tapos again sa, binigyan nga kita ng chance. Kasi I know you're nice naman. Pero alam niya kung gaano katakot pumasok sa relationship. Doon ako nanggagaling na parang daya naman sa isang mistake ko. Give up ka kagad. Knowing na hindi ko naman sa kailangan ko isa-isayin yung parang nagawa ko for you.
Stop. I didn't want to tell you this, but let me just go ahead and tell you this. No? Matagal nang gustong umalis sa buhay niyo mo niyan. Naghahanap lang ng ano. Kailan yan. He wouldn't leave that easily kung talagang gusto mag-stay niyan. He wouldn't leave that easily.
Yun, pwede, parang narinig ko na yan sa friend ko. Pero siguro, yun na lang, kasi sa online lang siya nakipag-break eh. So, siguro yung isa kong gustong mayari, yung kaya siguro puntahan siya, clear yung things, saan siya nanggagaling. Kasi parang yun, medyo
Hindi ka ba naawa sarili mo
special.
Hindi ka ba naawa sarili mo yan?
Naawa kasi parang third time itong nag-ahabol. I mean, third time na sa lalaki.
Tama nang matuto ka, hindi na para maghabol ka. Tama nang matuto ka, hindi na para maghabol ka. Maganda ka ba, love? Ha?
Hindi ko alam.
Hindi, alam mo yan. Huwag tayo maglokohan. Alam natin kung may tsura tayo o wala. Tabo nga, may tsura. Ikaw pa kaya. May tsura ka ba?
Yun yung sinasabi ng tao. Pero
Okay, let's stop. Okay na yun. Okay na yun. Okay na yan. I'm reminding you this because you are at a point wherein you are forgetting that you are also a catch. You have a career, you're good looking, you are at your prime. You made a mistake. You're learning from it. It doesn't mean it's okay na maghabol ka. I'm reminding you this because you are also a catch. That's the only reason why I'm reminding you this, because you are also a catch. Baka mamaya, ate, nakakalimutan mo na to him, you are just an ex-girlfriend he's trying to run away from. But to some men, you're already a queen. It's okay na natuto ka. That's good. That you have the humility to accept na it was your fault. You shouldn't have done that. Okay na yon. Pero para maghabol ka and you have to convince him to get back into your life. That's too much. Hindi na siya okay.
Weakness ko to, Papa Jack, yung
Alin,
may iwan.
Ha?
Yung may iwan, yung iiwanan ka. Kahit pure pa yung intentions or...
Well, yeah. It doesn't matter whether we have the best intention for someone. If that person no longer has the capacity to appreciate what we can offer, it's pointless.
Right.
Yep. Kasi yung nag-away kayo, nagkatampuhan kayo, okay lang yun pero yung nakipag-break siya, ganun kanipis ang pagmamahal niya sa'yo. Yung pasensya, okay lang yun nade-develop yun Pero para mag-break kayo dahil sa ganun, diba? Ang babaw, diba? Nababusit ako sa'yo na arte mo sa part na yun. Ba't kaya nag-away? Pero hindi siya sapat para masabi natin mahal ka pa niya kung iniwan ka niya dahil doon.
Nag-inarte lang ako kasi akala ko nga, kasi nga I know him na Thank you. Papa Jack, thank you po.
Kung marinig niya ito, ano mensahe mo sa kanya, ma'am?
Sorry.
If he will be able to listen to this, what's your message for him?
Well, probably hindi. Pero...
Hindi ka sure.
Narinig niya naman lahat. Nag-sorry na ako and all. Pero, yeah, hindi ko talaga intention kung ano yung na-feel mo dun sa nagawa ko. So, I really regret it talaga. I'm actually ganun ka-painful for me to open up kay Papa Jack. To hear kung ano yung magiging advice niya sa akin. Kasi hindi ko naman gagawin to.
I know. This is a desperate move because you're too sad tonight.
Yeah.
Well, palagay mo na lang love, na you are able to learn what value you occupy sa buhay niya because he left for this. Hindi ko kayang sabihin sa'yo kung mababaw ito o malalim, but to him this is a big deal. So it was his decision and free will to walk away from you. And we don't have the right para magpaliwanagin siya kung ayaw na niya. Well, I really hope that mag-heal ka as soon as possible time. One day makakatagbo ka ng lalaking mababad trip sa'yo at matotolerate ka. Mag-aaway kayo pero hindi ka iiwan. One day you're going to meet a guy who in his mind leaving you will be the last thing to do.
Yeah.
Nasa BGC ka naman, di ba?
Wala. Sige.
Tagig. May baba ka doon, bili ka milk tea.
Yan lang, Papa Jack. Baka may kakausapin ka pang iba.
At tamad na ako, okay na to. Ay.
Thank you po ha. Thank you po.
Can you do me a favor?
Sure po.
You'll survive this and one day you'll be better. One day, mag-cringe ka pag naalala mong ginawa mo ito. Tumawag ka sa akin. Totoo. When that day comes, ibig sabihin masaya ka na nun. Would you call me again? Or would you update me? Make me a promise.
Promise.
I have a wish for you. Do you want to hear?
Sige po. Sige po.
I wish that one day there comes a guy in your life where kapag nagpaalam siya to go out with friends, you don't have to be worried kung may ginagawa siya o hindi. Meaning, I hope that one day a guy will come into your life who will be able to secure you effortlessly. Narinig mo na ba yung 5 panuntunan ko kung paano makakahanap ng jojowain?
Hindi pa po.
You want me to share with you?
Sige po.
Baka maalala mo to. Number 1, be with someone who is your friend. Kung may jowa kayo at di nyo kaya maging kaibigan, walk away. Number 1. Number 2, ready?
Ready.
Number 2, be with someone who would uplift you. Importante yan. Number 3, be with someone you are attracted to. Regardless, however you define attraction. Number 4, this is more important. Be with someone you can trust effortlessly. And number 5, be with someone you truly believe will take care of you. Number 5 is very important. Be with someone you truly believe will take care of you. Yung 5 yan. Sa mga may jowa po ngayon, yung 5 yan. If you have that sa relationship na meron ka ngayon, congratulations. I wish that you get to meet the guy who can make you feel that. When that day comes, at nag-cringe ka na, naalala mo tong araw na to, no? June 3 ng umaga, parang anta ka, nag-iiyak ka sa programa ko. Tawagan mo ako ulit, magtatawanan tayong dalawa. Promise?
Yeah.
There's a time for everything. Tonight is a time for you to learn and to choose yourself. Get healed. Okay?
Okay.
I'll talk to you soon, right?
Yes, Papa Jack.
Bye-bye, love.
Bye, sir. Bye po.